Welcome back to Quick How-Tos at 12 South Marketing. Today, I'm going to be walking you through Premiere Rush, a video editing and creation app. So let's dive in. Now, I'm going to be showing you these tips on my mobile phone, but they work just the same on the desktop. So tip number 1, cutting a video. If you decide to put one long video in your movie, but you want to split it up into sections or delete a portion, you're going to toggle over to the part of the video you want to split, then select the scissors icon here. Then you have tip number 2, changing the vertical and horizontal positions of your graphics or video. So if you have a graphic on one side of the screen and your video on the other, like this, you can change the vertical and horizontal positions of each. Simply select the content you want to transform, select Transform, and click the horizontal and vertical position numbers. From there, you can alter their numbers and their positions. Then tip number 3 is locking layers. So if you put a graphic over a video and you want to lock that layer to ensure that even if you delete part of the video, your graphic stays there, you're going to want to select this icon. From there, a picture of a lock will appear on each layer. Select the lock icon for the layer that you want to lock. This way, you won't accidentally lose any of your work. So tip number 4 is zooming in and out. Oftentimes, you'll want to get a closer view of your content. It's also easier to edit your content when the bars are larger rather than smaller. So to do this, you simply zoom in like you would on your iPhone or computer. This will give you a better picture of your content and make it easier to delete those smaller segments as well. So tip number 5 is duplicating content. So whether you want to duplicate audio, video, or graphics, the duplication process is the same across the board. You're simply going to want to go to the content you want to duplicate, click it, and then select Duplicate. This is also how you're going to delete content. And rounding it out with tip number 6 is transitions. So if your video is just looking a little choppy and you want to add in some transitions, you're going to click this Effects button and your transitions are going to pop up. Toggle where you want to put the transition and then simply click the transition of your choice. And there you go. Those are 6 quick and easy Premiere Rush tips. Be sure to check back in with us for more quick how-tos and marketing terms explained.